Hello and welcome to you all in this YouTube channel Famous Techs. Here I am Surya Sharma with you. Guys, today I bring a new unboxing video for you. Guys, I bought new graphics card Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060 with 6 GB. Guys, you can simply play SD game. Also, you can edit 4K video with the help of this graphics card. Guys, if you want to buy same graphics card, you please make sure you send me message in my Facebook. The link of my Facebook, you can get it in a description sections, and I'm going to ship you this product if you want to buy just within a $500. Please make sure you write a comment in a comment section. Without making delay, let's see what exactly persists on it. Okay guys, and this is my graphics card. That's EVG. That's a Nvidia GeForce GTX 1600 model, and it's a 6 GB of the graphics card. With the help of this card, that I can simply see 4K video, SD video for the YouTube. And if you are a YouTuber, really I suggest you to buy this product because I previously used the Nvidia product, right? Having a 2 GB of the graphics card, and I really suggest you to buy this product, and it just costs $500, guys. And if you want to buy, please write in the comment sections, and you will simply take the Facebook link over there, and you will get the link in the description section, and send me the message. I'll give the detail of this product and how you can buy, and if you want to buy that, I can simply ship you this same product for you. And without making delay, that's I want to show you what exactly precision this. Alright, and guys, before it means unboxing it, I'd like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my video. Let's check it out. Okay. You see guys, here is a note that if your product is not working properly, do not return it to the stores. EVG offers a direct customer service. It means guys, if my product doesn't work right at that time, it gonna to give me the services, direct services to me, that I don't need to return it back to the stores, right? And also I wanna suggest you that I wanna let you know that this graphic card, this GPU card have 3 years of the warranty. Though I'm sure I'm going to work with it for a long period of time. Alright, let's check it out. See guys. Oh my god, it's very good. And see guys, here is a user manual book into the different languages. That's overview, hardware installation, quick start, hardware installation, detailed graphics card requirement, and additional power, right? SLI installation, software installation, and some other things into the different languages. I can use this book to install this card into my PC. Alright, and the next one is the CD drive here, DVD drive here, having a that's the driver of this graphics card, which is required to install while we are installing into the PC. It's amazing. And the next things is one of the sticker from the Nvidia, that's into the graphics card, that I can basically paste it into my graphics card. And here's the next box. It's quite safe inside the box. Let's check it out. Oh, amazing box, amazing. And here you go guys, and you can simply see that this is my graphics card here. I got my graphics card, Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060 models. You simply see guys, having a 2 cooler fan over here, to reduce the temperature of this graphics card, and 8 power card over here. So guys, please note that if you buy this product, you have to provide the separately power and 8 with the help of the 6 power, right? And then you see these kinds of DDR5, and that's the DDR5 slots you need to use for this, and it contains that's 4 HDMI port to, it means reflect your video into the 4 different monitor, 4 different screen, and then one of the DVI slots over here. You can simply see that. And guys, I personally suggest you to buy the same product for your PC, because with the help of this graphics card, video editing tasks, it's very compatible and reliable for us, and it really works great. I previously used this product too, and it's really amazing. I show you the unboxing video today. Then guys, if you wanna see some more unboxing video, you please write in a comment section that about what you wanna see the unboxing video, that I'm going to make the video for this too. And I hope you like my video. I hope you guys please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Hope to see you in next video.